Assalamu alaikum. Here I am starting my lecture from the first topic, that is noun. As you all know about the definition of noun, that is very common. Noun is the name of place, person, animal or thing. Okay? But it's not very simple. So I will discuss today the types of noun. Okay? So here I'm starting from the first type of noun, that is concrete noun. What is basically concrete nouns? Concrete nouns are people, places, things, including animals that you can see, smell, taste, hear, or touch. All the people, place, things, name are included in concrete noun. Concrete noun क्या है जिसको हम देख सकें? For example, we can see people, places, things. Okay, we can smell, we can taste, we can hear. Okay, or we can touch. All the things are included in concrete noun. For example, if we talk about people, so in, for example, in people, a man is also concrete noun. A teacher, Smith, because all these we can see, we can smell, taste, hear, or touch. Okay, so these are concrete nouns. Next, places. So house, school, Pakistan, all these places are included in concrete nouns. Things, a shoe, a marker, a pizza, all are concrete nouns. Okay. So the next type of noun, that is abstract nouns. Abstract nouns are ideas, concept, emotions, and these we cannot see, we cannot smell, taste, hear, or touch. Okay, all these things are included in abstract noun that we cannot see, we cannot smell, we cannot taste, hear, or touch. इनको हम देख नहीं सकते, taste नहीं कर सकते, hear नहीं कर सकते, touch नहीं कर सकते. All these are included in abstract noun. For example, love, time, religion, rules. As you all know, we cannot touch the time, we cannot smell the time, hear the time. Okay, so all these are abstract noun. Okay, now the next, common noun and proper nouns. Common noun and proper nouns. Common noun, if we talk about people, so a woman is included in the category of people, and it is common noun because woman is maybe uh, a woman of any country, any place, anyone is a woman. We can't specify. Okay, but when we talk about Ariba, so Ariba is the name that is proper noun, and we are only talking about a woman who is Ariba. Okay, now the next place is a city. A city is a common noun, but when we talk about the great city, that is London, so it is proper noun. Animals are dog. Dog is not a proper noun, but when we talk about a particular name of a dog like Snoopy, so it is proper noun. A car is common noun. Corolla, Volvo is proper noun. A team is common noun, but when we talk about the team like Manchester United or the Pakistani team, Indian team, so these are the proper nouns. Okay, a team is basically also included in the category of collective noun because it refers to a group of people. Team में बहुत सारे लोग आ जाते हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों का group आ जाता है. When we talk about group of people, so it is called collective noun, and collective noun can be used as singular noun and proper nouns. Okay, सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल नाउन, सॉरी, सिंगुलर और प्लूरल दोनों में हम इसको इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि मोस्टली अमेरिकन और ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश में फ़र्क होता है कि अमेरिकन टीम को आर से इंक्लूड करते हैं और ब्रिटिश जो है इज से इंक्लूड कर रहे होते हैं. जैसे टीम इज़, तो टीम इज़ मीन सिंगुलर इन लोगों ने इसको समझा है, और प्रॉपर नाउन प्लूरल नाउन जो है वो ब्रिटिश जैसे टीम आर लिख देते हैं वो लोग. सो it may be included in singular or plural noun. Now, now we will practice sentences. Okay, so in my class at Oxford University, I have many friends. My best friend is Jen. I have a lot of love for her. Jen is a cute dog. Its name is Juju. So what are the nouns in these sentences? Okay, um, let me talk about the first sentence, that is, in my class at Oxford University, I have many friends. So what are the noun in this sentence? Okay, so in this sentence, class is common noun, friends is common noun. Okay, but when we talk about proper noun, so there is proper noun is Oxford University. Okay, Oxford University is proper noun. Now the second sentence, my best friend is Jen. So Jen is proper noun, and friend is common noun. Okay, I have a lot of love for her. So love is, I have already explained you, love is abstract noun. Okay, Jen has a cute dog. Dog is common noun. Jen is proper noun. Okay, its name is Juju. So Juju is proper noun. And you can see here, like I, her, its. These are pronoun that we will discuss in the next class. Okay. Now, the second topic is singular noun and plural noun. So singular noun are cat when we talk about anyone, cat, school, team, lady, monkey, tomato. But when we talk about more than one cat, like two or more than, so cats, school, schools, teams, ladies, monkeys, tomatoes. So here we will discuss about some rules where we will add IES and where we will add S. So it's not the particular rule, but we can consider it. Okay. So like ladies, the D is consonant. Okay, it is not vowel. So after D, we will add IES. Okay, you can see in monkey, second last word is E is vowel. Then we can add S, monkeys. Okay. In tomato, you can see T is consonant. So we add ES as the last word is O. So mostly we will add ES. But as I have already said to you that it's not a particular rule. So here you can see piano. So here we didn't add es. Okay, we add s. So these rules are only for understanding, but these are not the fixed rule. Okay, now our next topic, pronunciation practice. In pronunciation practice, we will consider the sound, like plural sound. Okay, now here the sound is, is, is. Okay, now you can repeat with me. Cats, cats. S sound, schools, schools. Teams, ladies, monkeys, tomatoes, pianos. Okay, these are the plural sounds. Okay, noun that end in s. कोई भी noun जिसके जो end होता हो s से या sh से, x से, cs से, all these we will add plus es. Okay, and sound is like bus. प्लूरल क्या होगा? buses, buses. Okay, bush, ES ऐड कर लिया हमने। क्यों ऐड किया? क्योंकि साउंड क्या आ रही है हमारे पास? bushes, foxes, beaches, quizzes. Okay, so you have to practice and repeat these sentences and try to listen the sound, so you can easily realize that where we have to add is es, where we have to add ies. You can easily understand when you understand this lecture. Okay, when you will understand this lecture, so you can easily add SES. Okay, thank you all of you.